Good morning. A good 10 a.m. morning, a good Sunday morning. Okay, Monday morning. This is Monday 10 a.m. This is year 7, week 5 of the number and calculation 2. Today we will learn about multiple factors, prime numbers, highest common factor, lower common multiples, and some prime factor, and also some some tests for the prime number and some two-digit division and multiplication. Okay, so today we shall start with our multiples. Okay, multiples. Okay, multiples means that if of this small bag I have 2 dots inside. Okay, so I will have one if I have only 1 bag. But if I have 2 bags, that means I get I have 2 within 1 bag, and then if I get another 2, so 2 sets, I have 4. Okay, and I have 3, 6. When I have 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, so the multiple is just like a number that is all number from its times table. Okay, times table. For example, this is 2, 4, 6, 8, and continues. And then if we have 3 as the number 1, so we have 6, 9, 12, and so on. If I have 10, it will be 20, 30, 40, and so on. If I have 101, then I have 202, and then 303, and then 404, and so on. Well, this is so-called the multiples. Okay, on the other hand, the factor is, is a way the factor of a number are all the whole number that divides into it. Okay, so for example, let's see, we find this 6. 6 can be, look at this, which is 1 times 6. At the same time, we can have 2 times 3. Okay, so this arrangement allows us to know that there is 4 factor, which is number 1, which is 2, which is 3, and 6. Okay, so these are all the factors. Okay, when we try to do another one, which is maybe about 12. Okay, 12, we can know that it is as a result of 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. So the answer for this one will be, the factor will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay, then we should go for the prime number first. Well, what is a prime number? Prime number is the number which is exactly divided, have 2 factor only. For example, 23. Yes, 23 only can divide by 1. You have 2 factors, so it's 1 and 23. No others. But this one must be different. So if I get 1, 1 is 1 times 1. But this is not the different. So we need a different. So this is not. This is, sorry, this is not. Okay, I should cross it in the other color. And what about 2? 2 times 1. Yes, this is the answer. What about 4? 4 can be 1 times 4 and 2 times 3. 2 times 2, sorry. So we have 3 factors, 1, 2, and 4. So this is wrong. We only have 2 different factors. Okay. So here we have a test for the prime number, which is called the, yeah, I can put here, which is called divisibility test. Okay. So if I have as many number as I have, for example, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, okay, and so on. Okay, so to cross out this number, maybe 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so to find the prime number, okay, firstly, okay, cross out number 1. Cross out number 1 because not 1 is not. Can you see? Okay, so all the number end with even number because 2 is the answer, but 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 times 3 is 6. So all the prime number, can you see? From 2, I keep the 2, but the 12, 22, 32, all you need to cancel out. So as a 4, so it's a 6, so as the 8, and so as the 10. Okay, 10 I keep it for the moment. Okay, okay, because everything divisible by 5 will also become the 10. Okay, both 5 and 10 can be cancelled. Oh, sorry, we need to keep the 5. Sorry, I cancelled it wrongly. Okay, so we need to keep the 5. So I have 2, and I have 5 here. This is correct one. Okay. And then okay, except 3. Okay, so if the sum of the digit. Okay, this is the important thing. Okay, sum of the digit. Okay, if sum of digit. This is for 3. The test for 3. Okay, is a multiple of 3. Now this is the most important part. Okay, what I want to show you is, okay, if I give you a big number such as 261, okay, is this a multiple of 3? Okay, what should we do is we need to add 2, this 2 plus 6 plus 1. Okay, so 2 plus 6 plus 1, I get 9. So since 9 is a multiple of 3, so this number can be divided by 3. Okay, I'll show you. 261 divided by 3. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 7 is 21. See, it's divisible. Okay, so 261 should be crossed out because this is the multiple of 3, even though it looks like a prime number. Okay, I give you another number, maybe about 126173. 1. Okay. Okay, is it this number divisible by 3? Okay, so we can try. Okay, 1 plus 2 is 3, and then this is 9, 10. This is another 10, 21. So this is 21. Okay, 21 is a multiple of 3, or in other way, you can also plus out another. 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is a multiple of 3. So this number can be divided by a 3. Okay, let's try. If 3, this is 4, then you get 12. This 2, and then this is 0, and then this is 5, and then this is 7, and this is 7. Yes, it's divisible. Okay. Okay. So this is the way of the test. Okay, and there's no test for 7. There's no test for 7. Oh, there's no test for 7. So for the 7, okay, what? Okay, but before that, we need to cross out the 3 one first. So this is divisible by 3. This is 6 also, and then we have, yes, 18. And then we have 21. Then we have 27. Okay, So there's no test for the number 7. So number 7, you need to be careful. 7, 14, 21, 28. Okay. So what is left? Okay, what is left is actually the prime number. Number 2, number 3, number 7, 11, 19, 17, 23, 29. Okay, you can always use this method to find your answer. Okay. So when we know all these prime number, how to find the prime number, then we can do the prime factor. Okay, if I give you this number 126, okay, you can see this is an even number, so you can divide by 2. So I get 2 times 63. Okay, and then this 63 is 7 times 9. Okay, and 9 is 3 times 3. So all these are the factor. Okay, that means that it means that 126 is actually 2 times 7 times 3 times 3. So the factor is 273. 273. Now this is all the prime factor. Okay, then we should go for the HCF and the LCM. Okay, what is the HCF and LCM? Okay, HCM is the highest common factor. Okay, highest common factor. Okay, so you need to know what is factor first. Just now the factor is the thing that from here you learn from here this factor. Okay, so we need to now go for the highest common factor. Okay, so the number one way is called listing up. Listing up. Okay, so for example, if I want to find the factor, the higher common factor for 20 and 30, then we know that the factor for 20 will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. This one is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. So the common one will be 1, 2, 5, 10. So the highest one will be the 10. So the HCF is equal to 10 for this case. Okay. On the other hand, for this one, okay, a multiple of 6 and 8. Okay, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, for example. I give you a long list for this one. And then we have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and 54. Still continue for this one. This one is not continue, but this one is continue. So the common one will be which one? Yeah, 24 and 48. But we need the lowest one. So the answer will be 24. Okay. For me, Mr. Henry Clement will teach you, would like to share with you one very useful thing of finding these multiples and factors. Okay, we should start with this one. So I'm using the corner of this to write down, which is 20 and 30. So if you want to find the factor and the multiple, usually we can do 2 times 10, 2 times 15, and then the common one will be like 5 times 2, and then this is 5 times 3. Okay, and then if this is already a prime number, I cannot further factorize together, so I should stop here. Okay, I should stop here since one of them is prime number. If none of here is prime number, and then it may be even number and odd number. Okay, so you should stop, cannot further link. Okay, so usually I will stop here, and then can you see this part? This part is this red color is the highest common factor, which is 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, using this method, you no need to further okay, factorize it. Okay, and then the number from top, okay, number from top times these two, or this number on the 20 times this 3 will get your multiples. Okay, I should show you this one. The lowest common multiple is either 20 times 3 equal to 60, or 30 times 2 is also 60. Okay. On the other hand, if this 20, 30, 2, 10, 15, and then you have 5, 2, 3, okay, you also can find the LCM from the L shape of this. Okay, so here the LCM will be 2 times 5 times 2 times 3. So the answer you get also 60. Okay, so today I'm showing you this simple method. Okay, so that I hope that you can enjoy this one, because this is come out quite often in your exam. Okay, for the next question will be like our square and the square root. Okay, square and the square root. So the square root is an inverse of the square. Okay, so you should make a list of this square. Okay, I usually will ask as a student and learner, okay, to do the table for the square number. Okay, sometimes also about the cube number. Okay, this is the example I give you. So you need to write 1 power 2, 2 power 2, 3 power 2, 4 power 2, 5 power 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think we can do until quite long also. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, you can stop here if you want. Okay, okay, maybe add another one, 20. Yes. Okay, so 1 times 1 is actually 1. This is 4. This is 9. This is 16. This is 25. This is 35. This is 49. This is 46. This is 81. And this is 100. And then this is 121. This is 144. And this is 169. Yes, that's just reverse. You can see 196, 169. Okay. And this is 225. And then this is 400. Okay. All these numbers you need to familiar with, so that you can do the how to say, square and the square easily. Okay. So on the other hand, okay, if I square 4, then I'll get 2. If I square 16, this is inverse way of the square number. Okay, then we should try the last part for today, which is multiplication and division of 2D number. Okay, we should try this one. I think you can see, right? Okay, we should try this 24 times 18. Okay. Using a grid is quite easy because you see this 24 will become 20 and 4, whereas the 18 will become 10 and 8. Okay, so if we have we time separate, okay, the 20 times 10 you get 200, and the 4 times 10 you get 40, 20 times 8 you get 180, and 160, sorry, 4 times 6 you get 32. So add up everything is your answer. So the answer should be 432. Okay, but this one is not easy to do, to draw the grade in your school exam. So we should try another way, a straightforward form. Okay. So this is, I should use a color also. Okay. So this is 20 and 1. Okay. And then this is the red color, 24 and 18. Okay. So this is the line. Okay. So firstly, we have this one. Okay. 8 times 4 is 32. Then you write a 2 here, and then you have 30 here, 30. Okay. So 30. And then the next one, okay. And the next one will be the green color. Okay. So 8 times 2 is 16, 3 is 19, so it's 19 here. Okay. So if 1 times 4, 10, that means 10 times 4 is 40, right? 40 should write here the 4. Okay. And then this one, 1 times 2 get 2, so this is the 2. So we should draw a line. Then the answer will be, you add up everything is, this is adding. So the answer is the same with 2, 3, 4. So I guess you know how to do this one, right? But for some mental calculation you can do easily if you have good mental calculation knowledge. Okay, for example, if I have this one, 19 times 1, you know it's 19, right? When you have 19 times 2, you get what number? Okay, I can get 38, but I guess I will teach you another way. Okay, this is 19 is close to 20. 19 is close to 20. So if I have 2 sets of 20, is 40. But each of them, you need to deduct 1, so it's 38. Can you see? Same thing happened to 19 times 3. So it's a 60. 20 is 60. 60 minus 3 will be 57. Okay, you can try the rest by yourself. For example, 19 times 4. So it's 80 minus 4, so it's 76. So 19 times 5, so it's 95. Okay, this is the way of doing so. Lastly, now I want to show you about the division of the 2-digit number. Okay, for example, this number. I shall use another color so that to indicate this is about the division. So for example, this number 434 divided by 25. So divide by 25, you cannot write here. No, this is wrong. Okay, I should have at least 1 is 25 here. So my answer must be right on the second place. This is 2 digit is 2. So here 21 times 25, I get 25, right? So what after this? Okay, I should do a minus. Okay, so it's 18. Okay, then the 4 should be dragged down. Okay, so 25. Okay, 25. There's another thing. I hope that you can do as what I show you. If you have free time, always write 25's multiples. 25 times 1 is 25. 25 times 2 is 50. 25 times 3 is 75. 25 times 4 is 100. 25 times 5 is 125. 25 times 6 is 150. 25 times 7 is 170. 105, sorry. 25 times 8 is 200. So this one is near to the the possible answer will be 175. So we should write a 7 there. After that, we do a minus again, so we get the 9 here. So this answer is 17, remainder 9. Okay, so I think that's all for today. I hope that you enjoy this sharing. Okay, let me know if you need any other things. Always comment, like, and share us to motivate me. Okay, this is Mr. Handy Solomon. Year 7, week 5 for today, a number in calculation. Thank you for watching and enjoy your day, your Monday. Bye. That's all for today. Bye.